Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon.
Good evening, sir.
Okay guys, let's start. Because today we have to do two topics. Let's start very quickly. And in the end, I'll take you 2-3 minutes to ask you something and then decide my next plan. Okay? In the end, we'll decide on that. But before that, let's complete today's topic. Welcome. Reasoning aptitude. Last day. We have Brinda, Shubhi, always on top. Then Niyati, Manya, Asha, Asta, Shubham, Shilpa and Himanshu. Okay, still many people missing. So two topics I'm plan to do is first of all let's do. Sorry. Okay. So what we want to do is first of all we'll do small topic, very easy, direction sense, and then we'll do another topic. Let's first do direction sense. Now this is the most easy topic of reasoning. Very easy. We'll do 3-4 questions, which is more than enough. Now before we start direction sense, I want to ask you a couple of questions. Everybody, very quickly, tell me on chat. Okay, very quickly, because that is all decide how you do direction sense. I ask you 5 questions. Just write down your answers on the chat very quickly. Say my center point is this. Everybody knows. Everybody knows this. This is my east. This is my west. It's my north. It's my south. Correct? If suppose I am pointing like this, so I am pointing to each direction. Correct, everybody? So now tell me, I am in which direction now? Facing which direction?
Northeast.
Northeast. Which direction now?
Southwest.
Southwest. Which direction now?
Southeast.
If I take 90-degree clockwise turn, which direction I will be? 90-degree clockwise.
Northeast.
90-degree clockwise. Clockwise would be like this, right guys?
Southwest.
Southwest. If I take, I am here, say I am exactly in the middle. If I take 180-degree turn, which direction I would be facing?
Northeast.
East.
180-degree direction, 180-degree turn. Doesn't matter clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Northeast.
180-degree means exactly reverse. So northeast. If I take 135-degree turn, this is exactly middle of north and east. 135-degree clockwise.
Southeast.
Sir, south.
135.
Sir, south.
Niti, check your audio. 135 means this is 90 plus 45, exactly south.
Clockwise, you have to.
Clockwise, yes, it would be south.
Clockwise.
Correct, everybody? It is south. Is everyone okay on this? Clockwise, anti-clockwise. See, this is suppose original point. This is 45-degree. This is 90. 135, 180, 270, and finally 360. Right, everybody? Clockwise. Niyati, just come back again. Now another thing is, I ask you 2 questions. If you can answer that, we'll move on. Black. Mute, please, everyone. Blue. Pink. Tell me, red is in which direction with respect to pink? Red is in which direction with respect to pink?
Northeast.
Red is in which direction with respect to pink?
Northeast.
Northeast.
Red is in which direction with respect to pink?
Northeast.
Northeast. Why? Because reference point is pink. So this is what my direction. So northeast is correct. If I say black is in which direction respect to pink?
West,
West.
northwest.
Northwest, northwest.
Black is in which direction with respect to pink?
Northwest.
So reference point is this. It is northwest. Correct. If I ask you blue is in which direction with respect to small, that small pink, the center one, okay? Small red.
East.
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 Is everyone perfectly okay with this?
Yes, sir.
East, west, north, south, no confusion, right?
No, sir.
So let's start few questions. We'll do one easy, one medium, one difficult question. Okay?
सर
Yes, please.
अगर ब्लू इन रिस्पेक्ट टू पिंक क्या आएगा
Blue
नॉर्थ
with respect to pink is northeast.
ओके सर थैंक यू
इसकी मान्या देखो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे रेफरेंस. तो ऐसा.
यस सर ओके
पक्का है मान्या सारा क्लियर है? You can
यस
ask. Tell me Manya about this one. Blue with respect to big red.
सर साउथ ईस्ट
Southeast. Because difference is this.
South, west.
साउथ ईस्ट
Sir,
Southwest.
southwest.
South,
This one. देखो Manya. Blue with respect to coordinate doesn't matter Manya. Listen carefully. I'm saying blue with respect to the red. So reference point is this, right, Manya?
यस सर
So it's this direction. Now how to check is
ओके
put a axis here. So ये कौन सा हुआ?
southwest.
Southwest, right?
साउथ वेस्ट यस सर
Let's start questions, guys. First question. Everybody mute, please. I'm getting a lot of. We are going to very easy question first, and then little bit. Everybody solve this and tell the answer. Neeraj starts his journey by walking in west direction. He walks for 14 meters, takes left turn. Then this is 45 degree, guys, not 450. 45 degree. In which direction is Neeraj traveling now? Northwest, Himanshu says, okay. East, Shubhi says east. Okay. Divya says northeast. Okay, all the three answers are different. Interesting. Next. Okay, I'm going to explain now. Please write who has not wrote the answer. Shubhi says southeast. Manya, your answer, please. Brinda says northeast. Okay. Manya, I will solve together. Unmute, please.
यस सर
Manya, एक center point हमेशा we'll always take the origin. Okay.
यस सर
Read the first statement, please.
Neeraj starts he walks for 14 meter and takes a left turn
First of all, क्या है? उसके पहले west में start हो रहा है ना वो?
Neeraj starts his journey by walking in west direction
ठीक है, तो मैं इसको west कर देता हूँ पहले blue बना के ये west है. How much he walked?
14 meter
14. So I'll write the distance also, not this question, but generally it's good practice because in future question you will need that. ठीक है, ये हो गया. No, it's a text है left turn. तो बताओ north में जाएगा या south में?
South में.
Left turn south में. Done. कितना?
20 meter.
20 meter. Next पढ़ो आगे.
He turned to his right and traveled 8 meter.
Right. East या west?
East, towards east.
Right. That's the problem. देखो नीचे आ रहा है देखो. तो right इधर हुआ, left इधर हुआ. सोचो. Right ये होगा कि ये होगा? He's going down. तो उसको देखो.
It's west side.
रुको आस्था. Wait. So मान्या, you are going from ऊपर से नीचे आ रही हो. तो you are facing towards south.
Yes sir, yes sir.
तो
West
उल्टा हो
sir.
जाएगा ना? हाँ, तो west
Yes
होगा.
sir.
तो west हो गया. तो कितना walk किया उस पे 8?
8 meter.
आगे पढ़ो. And nobody will take in between, please, guys. Nobody will speak in between, please. 8 meter. फिर क्या हुआ?
6 kilometer towards north.
ये तो डायरेक्ट है.
Yes sir.
तो 6 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. 6 बना दिया मैंने. उसके बाद क्या है?
45-degree turn.
इन क्लॉकवाइज.
Yes sir.
तो किधर होगा? ऐसा होगा कि ऐसा होगा? I'll tell you again. First option.
East की तरफ.
Second option. East की तरफ से. ये होगा 45 degree, right?
Yes sir.
So now question is in which direction he is traveling now?
Northeast.
Northeast. Simple है.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Manya, one more question. Everybody, one more question. So Manya, no, tell me. See, northeast is correct answer. Everybody. Manya, if this is his final point, suppose. Okay.
Yes sir.
And if I ask a question, everybody write on the chat. So Manya, tell me. Currently, he is in which direction with respect to the start point?
Southwest.
Southwest. Because reference point ये हुआ, उसका direction ऐसा हुआ. So this is nothing but southwest. Clear, Manya? Everyone is okay?
Yes sir, clear.
Thank you. This is a very basic question, guys. But be careful about left, right, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and the distance. Shall I move on, everyone?
Thank you sir.
Thank you, Manya.
Sir, how southwest, sir? That is northeast. Means that exact from that point to
Which question you are asking?
this one only.
Answer for this question is we already talked about northeast. Okay?
Okay.
We already said northeast. Then I
Okay.
asked the next question. I asked if this is the final
Okay.
point. This is
Okay.
final point is in which direction with respect to the start point?
Okay.
So that is southeast, right?
Okay, sir.
2 questions I asked. Southwest.
Okay. I missed the second one.
That's why. So move on, guys. Second question now. Little more difficult. Little. Direction sense is a topic which everybody should do in exam. It's the most easy topic. Please try everyone this question. Raju starts from point P, walks 10 meters in north direction, which is point S. He takes a right turn, walks 2 meters and reaches point Q, find Q. Asta, you will solve this question with me after 15 seconds. Okay, Asta?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Everybody write, please.
Sir, can we use Pythagoras theorem here?
You can use whatever you want.
Okay.
I don't answer the question. You can use whatever you want. Why only 3 answers, guys? Asta, start. Read the first line and tell me.
Raju starts from point P and
Suppose this-
walks 10 meter in
Suppose
north.
this is point P. Okay? This is P, suppose. What should I do now?
Now we will walk in the north direction and we label
Like
it as
this.
yes. Sir. Then it
Done.
will be 10 meter and it will be at point S.
10 meter, point S. Then
Now he will take a turn towards the east side, which will be 2 meter and it will be Q.
point S. Then what he said? He takes a right turn. To which side you said?
So east side.
Correct. 2 meter.
It will be 2 meter.
This is too easy question, guys. That is Q.
That is Q. Now we find it by Pythagoras theorem. So 10 square plus 2 square will equal to PQ square.
Because you have to find hypotenuse, guys. So hypotenuse will be 10 square plus 2 square, 100 plus 4, 104 square root. Correct? Square root.
Yes, sir.
Right, Asta, or not?
Yes, sir. Of PQ.
2 root 26. Or 10 point something, which we just learned also in our speed maths. 10.2 something. Yes, that's it. Got everybody? Simple. Shall we? This was just a practice. Now we're going to start a good question. This is a very basic question. Next. Try everybody. Divya, you will solve this question with me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Everybody, read this, try this. (7.078), okay. Let's start, Divya. Shall we start? Everybody can continue doing it. Divya, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
And guys, listen very carefully how we are doing this, okay? Divya, read the first line.
From point P, Vaishali started walking in south direction.
So let's say P is this.
Okay.
Always our, you can say, reference point P. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what should I do?
South direction means down.
Towards bottom, right. How
Yeah.
much?
4 miles.
4 miles. And guys, my recommendation is always write the distance also, 4 miles. Then what?
And took a right turn.
So which direction?
Means
East or west?
west.
West. Right side, west. How much?
5 miles.
5 miles. Read next.
And turn her left.
So which
Means
direction now? Sorry?
south.
Correct. Then
3 miles.
3
Yes.
miles. Very good. Next.
And turn her right.
Right
Again
again in west. Simple.
Yes, sir.
How much?
4 miles.
4 miles. Very good. Next what?
And turn her right. To her right.
So
So again south.
no, she's already going in west. Okay. No, you're saying time runs right. South or north? She's going like
Sorry.
this.
Okay, north. Sir.
Those
Yes.
notes. Divya, I'll give again one chance. Think. South or north? You said both.
Right, no, sir. Right, south, sir.
I know. I'm asking you. She is moving toward
So,
west. No, she took a right
yeah.
turn.
Again south, sir.
Right? So,
Yes, sir.
right?
Confusing me, sir.
What is confusing? See, you are going like this.
I said right.
I'll
south
tell you guys.
only.
I'll tell you one. See, yesterday I'll tell you. This is not. It is the most easy topic in the world.
Yes,
I know
sir.
some people. Yesterday I was teaching. I have one student from Belgium. I taught
Okay.
for 1 hour, but she was again
Okay.
doing always ulta. So
Okay.
Right, sir, you are right. Sir, my road, you are right. You also doing same thing. Why?
No, sir. South only.
It's going like
I
this.
thought I
Why it will be south?
I'm
They're going like this. Right is this or this?
not.
You are going from right to left. Think. You're going from right to left.
Yes, sir. Not.
So, no, again, you are tell final answer. Tell me, guys.
Yeah.
North or
15.
south?
15 miles.
Okay,
Again,
north
north,
or south?
sir.
Pakka north.
Yeah, sir.
What everybody thinks? Will it be north or south?
North, sir.
It will be north because you're going like this. I don't know you're looking ulta or not. You're going from right to left. So obviously south, north will be the up, north will be the right side. 15. So 15 will cross the line or not?
Yes, sir.
Will it cross? Divya,
Yes. 15 miles, sir.
15 is okay, but 15 will. Acha, how much will this distance from here to here? Any idea or no?
4
Seven.
plus 3, 7.
Plus 3, 7.
Yes, sir.
Understood, guy? Why 7? This is 4. This is 3. So total 7. If this is 7, how much will be this? This to this.
8.
8. Got everybody? This is very important. So she is here now.
Yes, sir. And right again.
And again right. This time be very careful. Tell me left, right means what? North or sorry, west or east?
East.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
How much?
7 miles.
She will touch here. She'll be here or cross here. Tell me. Will the
5 plus
does the
4,
axis?
7, sir. It will touch that line.
It will touch.
Yes, sir.
You are saying 5 plus 4 is how much?
9, sir. Sorry. 5 plus 4, 9. So it won't.
It won't
It
touch.
will
It will
not.
be somewhere here.
It will not touch. Yes, sir.
Guys, these are all important points. So this is the point Q. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And how much is this distance? How much is this distance? Total is
2 miles, sir.
This will be 2 miles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to find out?
2
PQ.
plus 8.
Array, we have to find this now.
Okay. Yes, sir.
We have to find this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Again,
Two
your
square.
Pythagoras theorem.
2 square plus 8 square.
Good. So PQ would be Pythagoras theorem, guys. I'll repeat again. We have to find PQ. Pythagoras theorem. She only said this is 2, right, Divya?
Yes, sir.
She only said this is 8 because this is 8. So 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. Answer would be 68 square root. How many got 68 square root really? 68 square root. Don't try to do in points. 68 square root is got. If you want, you can take out 17 into 4, 17 root 2. That's fine. But if you want, you can say approximately 8.4.
8.24.
It is not 8.5. It is 8.3 or 8.2 something. That's it.
Yes, sir.
8.25. Chalo. But that is not
8.2.
important. Important is root 68. But more than root 68, understood how we did diagram left right is very important, guys. And you cannot mess up with distances. If you don't write distance, you have to do again. Is everyone okay? Perfectly okay? Some of you got 8 point something. That's very good. But initially you got 10, guys. 7, 10, 12, which is not correct. Any confusion? See. Shall we go more? Okay, let me do one more question on the same level. Then if you want, we can go more difficult. We'll do an easy question now. Very easy. Who can solve in 15 seconds? Shubhi, you will solve this. 15 seconds. Shubhi, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All clear till now. Direction sense is easy, guys. Solve this.
Yes, sir.
Very easy question. See, you have to put yourself, you are going like straight, left. So your face should be that line. Your face should be in the arrow side. That's it. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Tell me, you start telling me, I start making. That's it.
So the first line says point B is 10 meter west of point C. So point C is in the middle.
ये point C ले लिया मैंने.
Yes, sir.
So
And to the west, that means towards the north, towards the west, left side.
left side, right?
Yes, sir. It will
Point
be
B
10
हो गया.
meters.
This is B.
B.
10 मीटर ठीक है. वैसे इसमें डिस्टेंस जरूरत नहीं है, but ठीक है. 10 मीटर.
Okay. Point D is 4 meter north of point B. That means straight from point B. Upside.
Point D is 4 meter north of B. तो D ऊपर आएगा.
Yes, sir.
This is D.
Yes, sir.
Then
Point F is 3 meter east of point Q.
वो तो है ही नहीं.
हाँ.
तो क्या करेंगे?
Sir, I was confused about this
आगे
point.
बढ़ जाएंगे. Simple.
Okay. And point Q is 5 meter or 5 meters south of point C. So point C
हाँ.
south, that means towards
ये
downside.
Q आ जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir. No.
This is the point and this is a Q. Okay. I'm drawing very bad today. This one because I don't want to.
So
So this is
now
point
we'll
here.
draw
This
F
is.
or not?
You will definitely now.
Now, no. So that the point F is 3 meter east. That means towards right hand side, straight.
This is right.
So that is point F.
और ये है 3 meter. I wrote the direction distance also. So you got the distance. We don't know distance here, but we got everything now.
Yes, sir.
Read the question now.
Direction of point D with respect of point F. So with respect of point F, the direction is northwest.
This is right.
Yes, sir.
So northwest, easy एकदम. Thank you, Shubhi. Everyone got northwest.
Thank you, sir.
Northwest. No, who is ready for the challenge? I'll do last question on this. Real challenging question. Who want to take a challenge?
Sir, me.
Me. Let's see. We'll write question. Everybody will try. Let's see how many we can get it right. And direction change is nothing else. That's it. Let me get some good question for you. Okay, let's do this one. Real challenge. If I start doing it, I'm just putting a space for myself. Please, everybody start. Shubham, your audio working? Skan, you will work with me this? Audio works?
Yes, sir.
So guys, we'll solve slowly, okay? Till you start, so keep solving, guys. Skan, let me make it first. The axis, the whole action is towards south. So I'll put like the axis so that I have a space. Okay, guys, this is my axis. And this is my center point. Skan, read the first sentence, we'll start.
Neha started walking from point A and walked 6 kilometers towards south.
Okay. So first towards south,
6 kilometers.
6 kilometers. And
And that's point B.
This is point A. This is point B, correct?
And 6
And 6 kilometers.
kilometers. Yes.
Everybody okay on this? Next.
Now she turns 30 degrees to her left and
Very
walks 5
important.
kilometers to reach a point C towards northeast.
So toward left means this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Not this way, correct?
Northeast.
30 degree would be this or this. 30 degrees, this is 90, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 45. 30 will something like this. See, 90 is this, correct?
Yes, sir.
45 is this.
Yes.
From the south, this is the reference point.
Okay.
So, say guys, a lot of you will ask me later. See, this is start. So 0 degree, 5 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 60, 90, 100, 120, 50, like that, right? So, Skan, 30 degree
Yes,
will be
sir.
approximately this.
Yes, sir.
Again, approximation is enough. So 30 degree.
It's point C and distance between them is 5
And
kilometers.
guys, this is 30 degree, okay? This is 30 degree, right, Skan?
Yes, sir.
This is 30 degree. And this distance is
5
5.
kilometers.
Read next.
Now she takes 120-degree left turn and walks 5 kilometers to reach a point D.
120 left will be like this or this.
Sir, towards your left.
But finally
I mean towards right.
towards east,
This
not toward northeast or toward southwest.
northeast.
Northeast, right? 120-degree
yes,
turn,
sir.
guys. See, this is the reference point again. This is straight line. 90 is this, right? 90 is this angle, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 120. 120 would be like this.
Yes, sir.
No, it will be same because 5 again. It's a
Yes,
5.
yes. Point
This
D.
point is D. This point.
Then she turns 30-degree to his left and walks 6 kilometers to reach a point E.
Now 30-degree left means what?
Towards point A.
Towards point A, and see again, scan initially was
Yes, sir.
30-degree plus 120. So 150 plus
Yes,
30 more, 180. 180
180.
means exactly reverse, right?
Yes.
Exactly reverse will be parallel to AB, right?
Yes, sir.
30, 120 and 30. How much total? 180, correct?
Yes.
So from here, 30 will become exactly straight, or you can say parallel to AB. How much kilometers?
It's,
6.
6 kilometers.
So she will reach the axis in our case, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 6. Point
Point
is
E.
E. What is the last thing?
Finally, she turns 90-degree to her right and walks 4 kilometers to reach a
So
point F.
east or west?
So east.
Diagram is okay?
Yes, sir.
So guys, diagram is done. How many kilometers you said here?
It's a 4 kilometers.
So guys, it's very important. 30, 60, 90, those are important. So we got the diagram now. Distance between A and F. Shubham, A and F. We need this distance. And AF would be EF plus
Plus
AE.
AE.
EF is 4.
Yes.
We only need AE.
Yes, sir.
AE is and BD are
BD.
same or not?
Yes, sir.
So finally we need BD, guys. Now use
So
all our
Pythagoras.
concepts of geometry. Pythagoras or geometry or triangle, whatever. Now I'll tell you 2 simple things. These two sides are equal, BC and CD, right?
Yes, sir.
How much is this angle?
60.
This was 30, right?
60.
So this is 60. If this side BC and CD are equal, angle also will be equal, right? This.
Yes, sir.
See, BC is 5 and CD is also 5.
Yes.
This is also 60 or not?
Yes, sir.
If two angles are 60, 60, 120, what is the remaining angle?
60. Equilateral triangle. Yes.
Another way of thinking is, guys, this is 30. Guys, don't ask me to repeat because we'll not have enough time to repeat again full. This is 30, everybody. And then we say we have taken a turn here. This is 60. So if you take a line like this, wow, how much was this? Was how much? 120, right? 30 we took, and then
Yes,
we took
sir.
120 turn. That was given in the question, right, everybody? This was 120. This will be 60 only, right? So whichever way you get, either you get by this 120 or you get by equal sides or equal angle in the triangle. Opposite sides, if angle opposite to equal sides are equal. I told in my geometrical also. So finally it's an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, then this has to be 5, right? Whether two sides are 5? 5. This is also 5. The final answer is 9. Right, Skan?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I didn't get the 9 concept. Till 120 I am clear.
120 से clear है, right?
हाँ
तो 120 clear है तो ये 60 ठीक है ना?
हाँ क्लियर है
तीनों एंगल 60 है?
हाँ
कौन सा ट्रायंगल हुआ?
इक्विलैटरल
इक्विलैटरल में क्या होता है?
साइड्स आर इक्वल
ये 5 तो मालूम है हमको, ये तो 5 पता है, दिया है क्वेश्चन में.
Okay, the AE is 5, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay.
Exactly. Done.
Okay, sir.
Got everybody? Interesting question. You have to be very careful about angles of 30 degree, 120 degree. If you don't do wrong in terms of angles, and then you apply a little bit of geometry. Done. Good enough? Astha. It's all about angles only. Because we already talked about that this was 30 degree in the question. Then after that, if this is the direction, she took 120 degree turn. So 120 degree turn, the remaining will be 60 only, straight line, right? दिए 30 है, this will be 60 only, because two directions are always 90 degree, right? So 60, 60, 60, whichever way you do, guys. So you got an equilateral triangle. That's it. Okay, guys. Last 10-15 minutes, I'm going to do a little bit of series, alphabetical series. Number series, everybody knows. Alphabet series will do a little bit. Cyclic series, that is the important part. Number series, I think we've done in many courses, and here also. Alphabetic cycle series is very important. Cyclic series are like some cycle is there. For example, if I give you, suppose A, B, C, now A, B, like that it goes. And if I give you 4 options, which of the option will be the answer? This is called
Option
cyclic series.
3.
Wait, so what I'm trying to say is this is cyclic series, guys. The best way to do this kind of question is there will be some cycle formed here. This is a series. So when these options are given means what? If you put option 1, matlab C will come here, B will come here, this A will come here, this A will come here. And you put and see whether any option is coming up. So for example, many people are saying option C. Let's see. If you put this C here, it becomes this. If you put this B here, it becomes this. If you put this C here, if you put this B here. So what is the pattern, guys? What is happening in this series? Everyone use ABC, but ABC, they are cycle. ABC, BCA, CAB, ABC, then BCA. So what is happening is C is going down. So cycle is reversed. ABC, BCA, last letter is coming in the front. That was the cycle about, right? Understood what I said? First is ABC, then C goes here. Sorry, A comes here. Not C goes here, A comes here. If A comes in the end, it becomes BCA. B comes in the end, becomes CAB. C comes in the end, becomes ABC. Again, A will come here, what will become? BCA. Again, B will come, it becomes CAB. Correct? This is called cyclic series. Is everyone clear what is cyclic series means? Suppose if I give a question like this, something. Without option, can you find out, guys? Or shall I give the option? Options. I give you 4 options. Tell me which option is correct and why. Divya says option 3. Asta says C, triple B, option 3. Okay. Let's write option 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. That will be easy to check. Tell me why option 3, Asta?
Sir, because it
Suppose
will
you
be
put,
like,
suppose you put this. So let's see. Then C will come here.
yes,
B will come here. B will come here. B will come here. Tell me what is the pattern you are seeing? Correct?
sir, like in one, there's a double C, then we go to double P, then double A, then double C, then double B.
What is the next one then?
Next, if we do the next one, it will be A, B, C.
Correct. That is what I also thought. Got it, guys? These are like alphabet series.
So the series can be like this also, no?
Yeah, so let's, I know. So see, that's why depending on how big numbers are there, how big alphabet, tell me, Shubhi, we'll try another also. So ideally, this question I am forming, so there may be some mistake. Tell me your option. We'll try whether any series works. Which option you selected?
Option 2.
Option 2. Let me remove everything, okay? Option 2. Suppose you go with this. So C, triple B,
Again B, double A, then B.
triple B, double, then A. Tell me what is happening here?
So here for the first C is double C, double B, double A. So it is going
Double
reverse.
C, double B, double A. Okay.
Yes,
फिर
sir. Then again double C, double A.
ना देखो ना ये डबल सी है आप राइट
हाँ.
तो फिर डबल बी होना चाहिए ना
हाँ.
इसलिए जितने ज्यादा आइटम होंगे ना इट विल हेल्प टू वेरीफाई यहाँ तक तुमने ठीक बोला डबल सी डबल बी डबल ए
हाँ.
वहां पर डबल सी आ गया फिर तो डबल बी ही आना चाहिए इट शुड बी डबल बी ओनली दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम ओके
Okay.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट I'll do different alphabetical series now, not the cyclic but normal alphabetical series. It'll take 10 minutes more, guys. Okay. If I tell you this, which is a series, we'll do alpha numeric series also, where try this. Everybody write answer, and then one of you will explain quickly or. No, why and what? Very easy one, but still. Tell me, everyone. E4, Himanshu, why?
Sir, it's a simple pattern F, then E, D, C, B, and
so
2,
letter
4,
is
8,
clear.
16, 32.
So obviously these two are gone, right? Yes.
Yes,
Then 16, 32. So what is happening?
So double every time.
Double.
2,
So
4,
obviously E4, right? Very easy question.
yes.
You are right. So I don't know how many know this Roman, but yeah, if you know, that's very easy. Else time to learn little bit of Roman numerals. What about this? Asta, tell me answer and why.
Sir, because if it's like you're doing the 4 table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
So what should
And
come?
now it's
16 should
going-
come.
So it's the third option.
16, correct?
Yes, sir.
16 is this. Good, everybody. Simple. Okay. Let me show you something more. Let's try directly from this. Can you see my question this screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asha, tell me question number 70 and answer. Everybody write the answer on the chat.
Sir, which one?
78. Ash. It will be Asha. Okay. Asha is there in class or not? Asha is there. Yes, Asha. Asha, unmute. Tell me how you do this. Question number 78. I'm not able to hear you at all, Asha. Manya, you want to try? Yeah, Asha, I know. I can see the audio, but I'm not able to hear at all. Manya, you want to explain?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Please.
Firstly, B square CD, then it would be BC 3D. Because after that D के नीचे 4 है फिर 5 D के नीचे 5 है फिर C के नीचे 6
So which
है तो
option you are
ऐसे
saying?
चलता है B1 BC 3D
Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option you are saying?
2
Option 2. Okay.
yes
And why? Because it obviously number would be will be below C
50.
only.
Shifting numbers and
First at the
increasing by
B,
one.
then at the C. That's important, guys. So it is not C, it is B. Somebody is writing C also. So option is B, correct. B, C3, D. Good. Thank you, Manya. Next. Should be 79. Should be
Yes, sir.
solving.
Sir, I'm just solving. Just 2 seconds more, please, sir.
No problem. Take your time.
So D.
Explain.
Because if we see the numbers, so E for the first statement, then one skip F, that is next will be G, then
Correct.
again one skip H, then next will be I. So if we'll go according to that, so we'll get the next letter K.
So B or D option. Correct.
So now L is same in all the letters.
Correct.
So again B and D. So now F skip G H, then again skip I, then J. So next will be L. So D
L.
option.
D option is correct. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Question number 86. Divya, question number 86. Divya, I will not in order. Okay. Now question number 86, Divya.
Okay, sir. I will do.
Yes. Everybody write your answers. Manya, you raise the hand. Okay. Tell me, Divya. Explain.
Sir,
Yes, please.
yes, sir.
Explain.
B, alternatives of B, D, F,
B, D, F, H, so
J,
J.
J. And
A
last
or D.
one also same, sir, J.
So last is like, so A or D. Okay, then
And C, E, G, I, K.
so obviously K. So JK.
Yes.
Good.
JKJ.
Perfect. Thank you. So last question, Shilpa solve 87 and then done. Shilpa 87.
Yes, sir. Just a moment, please.
Yes, yes. Take your time.
Sir, option D.
Option D. Why?
सर बिकॉज जब हम सीरीज में चेक करेंगे तो जो स्टार्टिंग लेटर है वो रिवर्स में हो रहा है.
So Z, Y, X, W, so V.
यस सर.
V is correct. Then
सेकंड लेटर जो है वो कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज में है.
A, B, C, D, E.
यस
So
सर.
first option gone.
यस सर.
फिर बताओ.
फिर नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग अगर चेक करेंगे तो जो जेड ए जो सेकंड लेटर है फर्स्ट जेड ए उसके बाद 5 आ रहा है. देन बैक फर्स्ट लेटर के लिए वापस जा रहा है और ये कंटिन्यूअस चल रहा है. पहले फर्स्ट लेटर पे नंबर है, सॉरी सेकंड लेटर है
सेकंड पे फर्स्ट पे, सेकंड पे फर्स्ट पे, सेकंड पे फर्स्ट पे, राइट.
और फिर इसके बाद
कहाँ पे आना चाहिए? एक और रुको, ऑप्शन तो कहाँ पे आना चाहिए? सेकंड फर्स्ट, सेकंड फर्स्ट, सेकंड फर्स्ट,
सेकंड पे होगा सर.
तो वापस वो आएगा लास्ट वाले पे, सेकंड पे. तो ऑप्शन बी भी गया. अब लास्ट के दो ऑप्शन बचे सी और डी. अब बताओ.
यस सर. और हम ये भी चेक करें कि जब वो सेकेंड लेटर पे नंबर जा रहा है तो वो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है. तो फर्स्ट लेटर 5, देन 6, देन 7.
So B, sir. You are right. So there are three patterns, guys. Three patterns. Good. Very good, Shilpa. Got everybody? Simple. And number series, anyway, we talked about it, I think, in some of the classes. So number series is just a very basic number series where 5 things are very important number series. I'll tell you guys. First of all, numbers with type of numbers. Odd number series, even number series, or prime number series. Every row prime number. Type of numbers. Second type of number series, combination of operations. You're adding everywhere some number, say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or subtracting everywhere some number. Or multiplying or dividing, the basic operation series. Or if you go, I think we have done in one of the class somewhere, but I'll tell you. So number series, if you know major patterns, I say types of numbers, then I say basic operations. Like plus is happening, minus is happening, multiply is happening, divide is happening with a constant number or variable. For example, if I say 4, 7, 10, 13, you know everywhere plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. But number series, yeah, but this is, it's all about how how is the, this is the groupal pattern Divya. Or we can say it increasing in the numbers, like 4 with 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is happening with it? Here it is increasing, but the number of increase also is not constant. They are also increasing. This is what called basic operations. Third thing is advanced operations. I categorize all those into different groups, like squares. A series can be 1, 4, 9, 16. What are those? Square of a number, right? Increasing order. Or 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. What is this? Number of series of a cubes, increasing order. It can be increased, it can be decreased. These are the three basic type of series. And after that is all combination of this type. For example, this is a combination of patterns. For example, if I like a series, if I write a series 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. So obviously you see that this has two patterns. One is compared with this. They're all very close to squares, but all are lesser than 1. So subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here. You can say this is a series of squares minus 1. Squares plus 1, cubes plus 1 cube. These are all different patterns. What happens is, all different. Scan, wait, Scan. I think you all, Scan, before you post a question, let's
Yes, sir.
understand the overall strategy, Scan. See, when we solve 5, 10 questions, will not help, right? So wait, what I'm trying to explain first. Otherwise, focus changes, my focus also. So, combination of patterns, where in one series you will have multiple patterns. Here you are increasing, but also squares. Similarly, if I write a series, like suppose say 3, then 10, then 29, then, so you have to just think, it's not very easy to. So if you see, numbers are increasing little fast, right? So it can be simple addition or subtraction, right? It can be multiplication or squares or cubes. Try to think whether you do some plus minus, whether you get some cubes. You see this here, 1, 8, 27. Can you get some relation in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the series of cubes plus 2. Cubes plus 2. Got everybody? So this is a combination of patterns. Addition with squares, addition with cubes, squares, addition, that's it. Next is we talk about multiple series together. Multiple series means there are 2 or 3 series going in parallel. For example, if I write like this, say 1, 2, 4, 3, say 9, 5, 16. Can you think what is happening? There are 2 series going on. If you see alternate 1, 4, 9, 16 squares. What do you see here? Prime numbers. So what happens is, so 7, then 25. This is called multiple series together. The best way to solve series is, if suppose we don't able to get all this, what you should do is, you try taking the difference of the numbers. Difference, 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 difference. Then you'll get a somewhere pattern. Okay? Now all those series are always one of this combination. So it depends upon, we always first start taking the type of numbers, otherwise the operation. If it doesn't work, then we'll try. So it can be either the combination of patterns or combination of series. So again I repeat, most of the series will be solved by when you take a difference of the terms. Except the prime number series, other series can be easily solved when you take the difference of the certain terms. can solve very easily. Fine. Though I was not intended to do number series, objective was to do direction sense and multiple, and the alphabet cyclic series was more important. But this is how you do number series. Okay, everyone. Now, Skand posted. So guys, we are already 15 minutes late, but this question we can discuss it about, and then we are good. Then I want to talk couple of things and then done. Okay. So Skand, this 120. First of all, whenever we give series, we have to give a number also. Okay. And it's all not about one particular series, it's about how we solve the series.
So you were giving example of those series now, sir. That's why I gave.
But again, see, it will take 1 hour if I try all the series, different series. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Now, what you can attempt to do this is say 120, then what? Then you are saying 24,
then 6,
and
then 0.
Sir, can
Now-
I try this one?
You can try, nobody is stopping you, but will not invest so much time and wait because already 5:15 guys. So, no, basically,
Sir, it's basically like 6 and then 6 4s are 24.
exactly.
So 6 8s are
if you take
6
so
times
6
8
out,
is
20,
48,
something,
something
4,
like that.
1,
No,
and
sir.
then 0. Wait, so it's like you can say 6 into 0, 6 into 1, 6 into 4, 6 into something 9. Maybe it can be 6 into 9, 36. 9 into 6, it can be 54 maybe. It can happen. I'm not saying that, but not here 54. What I'm trying to say, this can be 1 square, this can be 2 square, this can be 2. Otherwise, you are getting 20 here. See, everywhere I take a 6 out. I'm telling you what a different method can be. And you have to give the option also, okay?
Okay, sir.
So, but again, I'm giving the approach, guys. You can see that here, first of thing, what happening, number are decreasing a lot. So definitely more than addition, it will be kind of a division, right? It will more division because difference is 6 here, then 18 here. So more may look like it difference is increasing multiple fold. That's why I take a 6 out everywhere. So 20, 6, 4, 24, 6 over 6. No, 1, 4, ideally should line here. Then it should be 16, but it is not coming, right? So then try 0 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, something like that.
सर
So
ऐसे
can I
नहीं हो
tell the
सकता
answer?
Wait, Skan, again you're not her answer. Yes, please. Who is saying something?
कि 1 का क्यूब माइनस 1 0, 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 6, 3 का क्यूब माइनस 3 24, 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 20, 5 का क्यूब माइनस 5 120.
हो सकता है. Yes, yes. That's what I told something about that. Then you have to apply whether is the cube or square plus minus something. Correct? So suppose say 5 cube, she's saying 5 cube, 125 minus 5. 4 cube something. 3 cube.
नहीं नहीं 4 का स्क्वायर इवन का स्क्वायर प्लस दैट इवन नंबर एंड ऑड का क्यूब माइनस दैट ऑड नंबर.
So you were right, actually.
And I'll tell you one more thing, guys. There can be various ways to reach the same series. Okay? There can be various ways to reach series. So, who is Manya was saying something, right, Manya?
Yes sir.
5 cube.
Minus 5.
5. 4 square. But before I come to 4 square, Manya, let's talk about the 6 and 24. 2 cube minus 2 you said?
नहीं नहीं 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2.
Okay.
ऐसे
And
3
will
का क्यूब माइनस 3.
cube minus 3. ये भी हो सकता है.
ऐसे 1 0 भी आ रहा है 1 का क्यूब माइनस
So
1.
4 cube plus 4.
यस सर.
68.
4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4.
Okay,
Even का
20. 20. Yes.
But answer is wrong according to Skan.
So no, I'm thinking, see, if you apply everywhere one constant thing, you're getting. Skan, give the options now.
So the options are 100, 70, 60, and 20.
It will not be 20 because देखो ये सब सीरीज इंक्रीज ही हो रहा है, करेक्ट? इसलिए 20 आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट. No, what I was saying is you can also try, say, put one number here and take a difference. You will get more than not. Let's suppose you put 60 here, for example. Okay, guys? Let's say 60 here for a moment. कितना difference आता है? 60 36, 18, 6 कुछ बन रहा है देखो सब 6 का बन रहा है 6 वजह 6 6 18 6 6 1 3 10 something is getting let's see 24 when you take multiple difference 18 हाँ दिख रहा है ना देखो 12 12 18 24 ये सब उसका फिर डिफरेंस लो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग टू टेक मल्टीपल दैट डिफरेंस 6 6 तो मतलब ये हमारा एक पैटर्न बन गया 6 6 6 6 तो 12 18 24 फिर तो दिस लुक तो ओके टू बी करेक्ट 60 because able to make a pattern here see it means 60 can be the answer
It's the answer.
right so again Scan and everybody see how we have tried it take a difference take a difference take a difference take a difference कुछ पैटर्न मिला फिर take a difference I can find out कि हाँ कुछ पैटर्न मिल रहा है देखो 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 so yes
So the pattern is n
the
cube minus 1 actually.
I think I
I
don't
cube
know
minus 5.
listen 1 minute Scan I don't
Yes,
know if
sir.
you heard or not I think you are still focusing on the answer and question Scan one series see when I teach series in detail na, one series you
Yes, sir.
can come in that 4 or 5 different ways even if I form a series with this or any suppose say n cube plus anything you can reach in multiple ways and we have observed in our class itself that there are multiple that's the beauty about maths because there are so many different operations can result to the same thing so though somebody formed a series with this okay but still you can get in multiple patterns only objective is if you are able to get your pattern in all the numbers correctly then you are right see I didn't use n cube minus 1 right but still got the answer correct so there are so many ways but only thing is it should apply consistently everywhere got everybody so my recommendation is if a difficult series take a difference more or less you always solve unless it's a prime number series that is what I want to do see we take 25 minutes more today guys no before we close I want one thing from you I don't know how many are new people here yes, we already talking them but yeah Manya is there and Skan is there who was Skan was there in my previous class no so guys I want to quickly ask you one thing that's complete workshop now so this is the next week next scheduled calendar guys I have already said I'll do 4 courses so just suggest me 2 things okay very quickly everybody on chat or on audio first thing is I have only 2 options either I start my workshop from the 5th January or I start the workshop in the December में 27 28 second option I think that is one in the scheduling time quick give me your views everybody if you are not available in December and all then we start from January but if most of people in all the batches then we'll start in December and second thing what I want to know is these 3 courses are fixed 4th course I will deciding shall I do VM3 or AM2 one of those either VM3 I will do or AM2 I will do if VM3 will do now then next will be AM2 so anyway both will happen so which one I have already registered for most of the courses VM3 few registrations are there AM2 still few are there so tell me which one you prefer first VM3 or AM2 these 2 things you tell me quickly that will help me I'll make a schedule today tomorrow for the next series Manya says AM2 okay AM2 because I have lot of registration if you see my calendar I have lot of registrations for AM1 AM2 in fact all the courses registration somewhere 7 somewhere 10 somewhere 15 somewhere 6 I don't know AM2 AM2 VM3 okay so I'll decide based on all the inputs from different batches guys okay here AM2 looks more what about the scheduling is it good to start in January will start only from 5th because I don't want to start on Friday or somewhere I want to start either Monday or Tuesday so shall we start only in January or we start in the last week of December 28th 29th maybe keep your option whatever last week December January December last week December okay minus January so I'll take a decision based on most of the people what they feel okay I got some sense of it so guys that's it thank you so much Thank you for this. And next we'll meet in the 8 p.m. Who is there in my class? Otherwise,
sir.
next workshop. Okay. Bye bye. We have taken today a lot of time. It's already 7:25 or 5:25. Bye bye.